Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make apple crumble for babies. A very healthy, simple recipe which can be made in few minutes. I mean, the baking time is more, but to put in all the ingredients together, it is very minimal and a time-saving one, especially on weekends when you want to make something and offer to your child who is craving to have junk foods. I feel this is the best way to offer that. And generally it is made using sugar, egg, and I have tried to keep it vegan. I have also used palm sugar instead of normal sugar. It is a form of jaggery, which is a natural sugar. And I tried this at home and it turned out great, so I'm sharing here it with you. Let's first see the list of ingredients required to make this apple crumble. I'm taking one fresh apple, getting rid of the skin of this apple and the seeds too, and I'll take a thick grater and grate it like this. Ensure to make this step quickly, otherwise the apple turns out brown like this. Don't worry, it would not be any harmful. I'm adding cinnamon powder followed by palm sugar. This one is available on our store. And bringing in all the ingredients together here. Generally they use a chopped apple. They also boil it for a while, but this step I felt was quick for busy moms like us and would turn out easy for toddlers to have it as well, who don't have many teeth yet. In another bowl I'm taking palm sugar, coconut oil, cinnamon powder and salt. I'll mix in all the ingredients. Just bring in together. This doesn't have to melt. It won't melt as well because there is no heat here. Once done, I'm adding in whole wheat. Also, I'm adding in oats to give a little crumbly, crunchy texture. Mix all of it together with the help of a spoon, or hands are best. So once you bring in all this together, our crumble is ready. We just have to bring in all of it together now. At the bottom of the pan, I'm adding the apple mixture we prepared at first. And then I'm adding the crumble. See, the biggest mistake I did here was taking a pan which was smaller in size. You have to take a wide pan and spread it wide. The layer should not be so thick on the top. So when I tried it at home, I did it the best way, but here, because I wasn't having a bigger pan when I did in a bigger measurement, it happened so. So we'll bake it at 180 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. You can see the top layer has become crunchy and the bottom is gooey and juicy texture. So this is why the name crumble apple, because on top there are crumbles and bottom it is so soft and tasty. I really hope and wish that you like this recipe, because there are plenty of such recipes which I have shared, and I'm sure you would love them too. Ragi and oats muffin, you will have to try that. Trust me, it is made with wholesome ingredients, as you will see that it is made of finger millet and oats. And I have even shared apple rice pudding recipe, and the wonderful recipe on my blog is chocolate brownie mix. This is something that you can prepare at once and keep it, and while your child demands for it, you can just put in all the wet ingredients and prepare it. It is a jhatpat sort of a recipe, and my friend has baked it multiple times and told me that all the time it turns out wonderful, and I mean, her kids love it all the time. And thank you so much for watching this video. We are very less on subscription, so please consider subscribing to this channel so that you get regular updates. Bye bye.